Hi, Haley. So funny story, I recorded everything for you and I had this video done and then I found out that it didn't record the sound. So I totally went through everything and didn't have any sound. So I'm starting all over right now. But that's totally fine. I have no problem with that. So you would ask me about options for building a website for the church or organization in Guatemala and like pricing and things like that. So I just wanted to quickly go through it based on what you can see on my screen. Um, so first things first is one website that I've used in the past is GoDaddy. And when I had told Anna that I had built websites, so I built some for my dad and then for his business, and then I built some for school, and I built some um, for like different classes. um, I told her about my dad's first. So when I talked to my dad about trying to get the website because I wanted to show her like how or like basically my portfolio in making websites, my dad had told me that it had lapsed, like the account had lapsed, and so they'd shut down the site, which they did because it's not coming up. But I went to log into GoDaddy to find prices for you, and it turns out that I'm still logged into his account and I can see that he's still technically paying for this account. So I have to talk to him about that. So he can figure that out. But this is GoDaddy.com. GoDaddy.com is a website building website. Sorry, that's a mouthful. That is based on what you want to do, meaning you add different packages or different things that you want to your website, and that is what you pay per month. For example, I'm just going to go into my dad's so you can kind of see um, what he has here. So um this is what he has. So he has websites and marketing basics. So he builds or he makes not makes products. He sells products for cars and for different types of vehicles and things like that. And so this one includes the websites and the marketing so he can sell products on the website. And then the search engine optimization has to do with when when people look up your website, it's the first one that usually pops up. And GoDaddy will like basically boost your website so that when people search it, they can see this is the website. So I'm going to go into order history to see if it'll come up. So this is what he pays based on that. He pays $20.97 a month, um, based on that. And it bills for him every 3 months, and I believe you can customize that as well. There's a lot more you can do. You can add an org, I believe, on there as well. I think. Yep, you can add an org for $9.99. It says right here. Um, and so that is how to do it through GoDaddy. We can also look through it together if you want to meet one-on-one regarding that. Unfortunately, me trying to find like exact pricing, it's just not possible with this one because again, your pricing is based on how you want to build your website, what type of packages, what types of things you want. So like org, .me live, as you can see right here, and then what other things you want with it. So I can't give you like a firm pricing as far as GoDaddy.com, but this is what I'm showing you what you can see or what you can do on excuse me on this website. Tickle in my throat. All right. Sorry, I had to just pause real quick. My allergies have been absolutely killing me the last couple days, so I have had coughing fits last couple days. So, this is Wix.com now. Wix is something I personally recommend, and I like Wix for lots of reasons. It's first of all very easy to manage, and you have so much you can do. Um, Secondly, there's more designs here on Wix, you can make it much more, like the graphics are much cooler. And lastly, when you first get a Wix account, it's free. Excuse me. The only reason why it wouldn't be free is if you upgrade it to like a business, which is what you want to do. And or if you're going to like if you're selling product and things like that. I built websites for, like I said, I built it for my dad, and I said that before, but then I also built it for classes. And Anna has my login and password for this, so if you ever want to view that, you're welcome to do that. There's no problem with that, or you can just contact me and I can get that from you, or sorry, get that to you, not from you. And so as far as planning or how much it would be monthly to be able to edit it yourself, because that's what you're asking me in the email. This is Wix.com for business planning, excuse me. So website plans, it's great for showcasing a professional site. So usually stuff with products. So it says like, as you can see up here, I guess I don't need to read it out loud to you, but I'll stop here and for a minute so you can kind of see that. And then, so depending on what price or what you pay, you get different bonuses to that. So on the left-hand column, I'll just kind of slowly scroll down. And so that is what you can get for that. Now, for the business and e-commerce plan, which I guess is another thing that you can consider. So that's just that's for businesses and things like that. And so here is the business plans. I'll just kind of leave it here for a minute. And so again, based on what you pick, you'll get different benefits. So I'll just slowly scroll down here. Can pause as necessary. So this is just basically through my screen and what you can see if you get like your own account and stuff like that. And then business and then enterprise plans. And that I don't unfortunately know much about that one. But I think you basically talk to a professional and they build your website for you. Another really good option, I guess, is if you wanted to go just the free route. So I want to log into my Wix account here and you can kind of see what I would see. Sorry for the silence here. I'm not really, I don't really like, Rachel Ray it. I won't, I'm not really good at like talking and typing and doing all that stuff at the same time. So, just to kind of, this is what you'll see when you log in, is you will see like different websites. First of all, if you log in with mine, but if you just log in with yours, this is where you start to build your website. So this is where you can create a new site and such. But yeah, this is the websites, and this is also where you can upgrade to like a different plan if you want. But this is what you'll see if you want to hire a professional, if you want to explore more websites and things like that, you can do it here. And this is all free. This right here is all free. Like all I had to do, whoop, okay, yep. If you just create an account, this is free. And I was able to make my own websites for people to access. With that being said, if you log in or if you decide to do it this way, like I think the only thing that will come up for it is like on the bottom, it'll say Wix.com. Like it'll come out as Wix.com versus if you do one that you pay, I don't think that's what you get. So we'll just go into one real quick so you can just kind of see what you would be seeing on the free version if you decide to go the Wix route. I apologize, my internet's a little slow right now. Hi, so okay, so I went back in and I clicked on my website. So this is one I made for a class called Brilliant Minds, and it was based on I made like my own preschool website. And so as you can see in the free version, you don't have a domain, and then this is the free plan, and then you don't have like a mailbox connected. And so like if you decide to upgrade, then you get those things. Um, and so this is what I'm just going to click into it so you can see what it looks like in the free plan, what a website would look like with the free plan. All right, so this is what a website looks like with the free version of Wix. And so it just says upgrade your website to remove Wix ads. And that's what those pricings are that I had before. So this is a little bit that little bit of what I've made for if I was to have a center, and this is what I did as a school assignment. So that is that. So if you have any more questions, let me know. We can meet one-on-one or sometime during the day, and we can go from there. Thanks, Haley.